Hello YouTube, it's gadgetmainia here. Today we're doing a RAM upgrade. We've got a 4GB stick of DDR3 at 1330 MHz. This is the Corsair Vengeance Slim Profile RAM. On the front it has a picture of the RAM and just says it's DDR3 and the amount of RAM being 4GB, and then on the back it just says it's 1330 MHz. Sorry, 1330 MHz. If we just take the RAM out of the box, we've got a sticker saying DDR3 1330 MHz, and it's a 4GB stick, and it just says a few other things, and has the barcode on it and the European certification. On the back it just says Corsair on it on the actual sleeving. If I just taking off the case, I'll just dislodge one of the RAM sticks so I can actually fit it in. Just dislodge the 2GB stick that's currently in the system, so I can then put the new 4GB stick in, then just move that into the second channel, because this my motherboard's the dual channel. So what I'll do is I've got 6GB at the moment, so now I'm just going to be upgrading it to 10GB of RAM. Admittedly, my final goal will be to have 32GB. Now the RAM is inserted, I've got a 4GB stick, a 2GB stick, and then the new 4GB stick. This has been a quick RAM upgrade. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe.